Welcome to this quick Yin Yoga practice. Find a comfortable space on your mat. Props are not required, but if you have them and want to use them, then please do. Let's begin by connecting with your breath. Take 3 deep inhales through your nose and long exhales through your mouth. Come to hands and knees, then sink your hips back towards your heels, tucking your toes under for a more active child's pose, giving your toes a good stretch. Arms can extend forward or rest alongside your body. Close your eyes and breathe deeply into your back ribs. Releasing your toes, taking your child's pose deeper by gently widening your knees apart while keeping big toes touching. If you would like to go even deeper, moving into Tadpole pose. Knees go even wider, coming onto your forearms, sinking deeper into this hip opener, feeling the stretch through your inner thighs and groin area. You can place a block under your forehead if that feels supportive, breathing into your lower back and hips, relaxing into the pose with each breath. Gently coming out of Tadpole, walking your hands back, and slowly bringing your knees together. Slowly transitioning into your Sphinx pose, propping up on your forearms, pressing your forearms down and opening up your chest, breathing deeply and opening your heart. If it feels right for your body, pressing up to Seal Pose by straightening your arms. Keep your hips heavy and grounded. If Seal Pose feels too intense, simply stay in Sphinx Pose, listening to your body. Breathing space into your heart center. Releasing out of Seal Pose and coming into Crocodile Pose for a rebound. resting your forehead on your hands or forearms. Let your lower back release and reset after those gentle back bends. Simply rest and breathe. Slowly placing your palms on the earth and pushing up to hands and knees for some gentle spinal movement, moving slowly through 5 rounds of cat and cow. Inhaling to arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone, exhaling, rounding your spine toward the ceiling. Inhale cow, exhale cat, moving with the rhythm of your breath, awakening your spine. Releasing and crossing your ankles and coming into a seated position with your legs out in front, transitioning into caterpillar pose. Grabbing a block if you need or want one. Shifting to get comfortable and gradually folding forward at the hips. You can play around with the block or a pillow, supporting your forehead, reaching for your knees, shins, ankles, or toes. Don't force the stretch, simply breathe into your back body, feeling your body soften and surrender with each breath. Gently pushing up out of this forward fold. Taking a rebound on your back for about 5 nourishing breaths, allowing your spine to neutralize and reset from the previous stretch. Slowly bringing your knees to your chest, rocking from side to side a few times, and gradually moving into happy baby. Holding the outer edges of your feet or behind your thighs if that's more accessible. Gently drawing your knees toward your armpits. You can rock gently from side to side or stay still. Breathing deeply, enjoying this playful pose. We are about halfway through the stretch, so see if you can go any deeper. Playing around, you can bend your legs more or maybe straighten your legs, grabbing your ankles or big toes, sensing your edge. If you feel any pain, back out of where you are and come back into happy baby. releasing out of the pose and coming down onto our backs for our final pose. Moving into traditional Savasana or corpse pose, extending your legs long, arms by your sides, palms facing up, closing your eyes and completely surrender. You can also come into a supported bridge pose if you would like more of an active stretch and back bend. Grabbing a block, bolster, pillow, and placing it under your sacrum. You can also bend your knees or straighten your legs for a deeper stretch. Letting your breath return to its normal rhythm. Resting here, integrating all the beautiful benefits of your practice. Bringing your awareness back to your body, gently planting your feet on the earth, removing the block if you had one under your sacrum. Inhaling, taking your hands over your head in a full body stretch and rolling over to one side. Gently pushing up to a seated pose. Take a moment to thank yourself for this time of self-care and bringing forward the sense of peace and calm into your day ahead. Namaste. Let me know what your favorite stretch was this morning, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.